In this video here, I'm going to show you how, so a technique that I came up with getting up. I had trouble a while ago where I was trying to get up from a chair, and what was happening is that my legs were coming out like this. So as I was leaning forward, my legs were doing this, and so I was never able to kind of get myself to a higher position. And so I found that by taking just a regular belt and putting it on just the first loop, it restricted the my legs from moving apart from one another. So what I'm going to do here is I just put it on the first loop. This is just my belt, and so I'll put that there. So you can see now my legs aren't obviously not going to go anywhere. So I didn't realize this was to help me to get up. So if I wanted to get up, and I could do this as well without the belt, but I'm going to show you the effects of it. What has happened. So let me just kind of turn sideways here. So without a belt on, because my muscles are so weak, I'm only able to bend my knees maybe like this much. So with the belt on, obviously it restricts the distance of which my legs travel apart from one another when I bend them. So I can literally put this belt on and come down to this position, maybe a little bit lower, and then I'm able to just push myself back up. Okay, so let's see if we can do it just a little bit further. Now without this belt on, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen, my legs would fall apart from one another, and I'm not able to push my legs, back up to a standing position. Now obviously I can't stand straight up, but I've at least minimized the problem of being able to get to this position. So let me just put the belt down, and I'm going to show you now what's going to happen when I don't have the belt on. So I'm going to bend as far as I can, and then you're going to see it probably just drop right there. So now you can see in this position here where my legs are positioned, they're not real tight, and so they're far apart. So if I wanted to push myself back up, I can't. My hip muscles, my legs won't allow me to do that. So the belt around the thighs was actually, just to help me to get up from a chair. And what I've noticed is that by just doing that exercise, doing it 10 times a day, that it's actually helped my hips and becoming a little bit stronger, where I'm able to get up from chairs without putting the belt around my thighs. And that's more so at home. When I'm in public, I don't really need to do that. But so that's something that I think that if you work on, you might be able to strengthen your hips a little bit, where you'll be able to get up out of chairs and not have to rely on people to help you up yet. So work on that, and hopefully it helps you out.